In this video, I wanted to show some tips for how you can quickly clean up a mesh that's very messy. So here I have this cube that's got a few extra edges coming off of it. I've got some floating loose vertex, and actually I've got some duplicate geometry in here too. So that can sometimes happen if I, say, extruded something and then didn't move it. Now I've got a bunch of extra vertices and faces in here. Okay, so to start with, I'll press the A key to select my entire mesh. I might have to press that a couple of times if I already have something selected. And then I'll go to Mesh, and then down near the bottom is this drop-down Clean Up. And you can see I have a lot of options here. The first one that I'm going to show you is Merge by Distance. So this is going to be merge vertices together if they're very, very close. So this is going to fix this problem of these vertices right on top of each other. So we'll go to Mesh, Clean Up, Merge by Distance. And you can see right here at the bottom, it removed 8 vertices. I had 8 duplicate vertices sitting on top of each other. Now I want to deal with all these. Of course, I could just select them and delete them. But if you're working with one of those high poly photogrammetry meshes that has some messy stuff to it, that's not always a good option. So I'll press A to select everything. And then I'll go to Mesh, Clean Up, and I can say Delete Loose. So this will delete loose vertices, edges, or faces. And I think this is probably gonna get rid of all of my other problems. So I can see here, remove 3 vertices, 2 edges, and 0 faces. Yeah, I think that is it, probably, for this video. Yeah, there's a few other options here, but those are the 2 most versatile, most useful tools in that cleanup menu.